While browsing your pictures in Adobe Bridge, you may want to look at the full-size preview of your images. Well, there is a lot of way you can do that. If you just go down here and scroll to the right, as we have seen in previous videos, you will get a larger preview of your image. That is one way. Another is go here and select the preview workspace. So in this way you'll be able to get much larger view of the image you select from this panel. But there is much more efficient way to do this, and that is full screen preview. Just select the image from the content in Bridge and hit space. When you tap space, you'll be able to get the full size preview of the image you have selected. You click on that image and you'll get 100% view of the image. If you press the plus key on your keyboard, you can zoom in. Adobe Bridge provides zoom till 800%. Press minus key and you'll zoom out. Press minus key once again and you'll back to the full screen preview. Press escape to come back to Bridge. So this is how you can go and check out the full screen preview of your image without going to the Photoshop.